Unveiling Mariah Carey, Beyond the High Notes to Music Advocacy. What do 5 octaves and a heart of gold have in common? They belong to Mariah Carey. This remarkable combination has not only defined a global music icon, but continues to captivate millions worldwide, cementing her status as a true musical legend. Mariah Carey's career has spanned over 3 decades, during which she has consistently dazzled the world with her extraordinary vocal talents and charismatic stage presence. Her journey from a young girl with big dreams to a superstar has been nothing short of inspirational. Among her many achievements, Mariah Carey boasts 19 #1 hits on the Billboard Hot 100, a testament to her enduring appeal and musical prowess. This record-breaking feat highlights her ability to connect with audiences and remain relevant in the ever-evolving music industry. Her early life was marked by a cocktail of challenges and aspirations. Growing up in a biracial family, Mariah faced identity struggles and financial difficulties that made her path to stardom both compelling and inspiring to aspiring artists everywhere. Mariah's distinct vocal range, spanning 5 octaves, sets her apart in the music world. Her ability to effortlessly switch from powerful ballads to upbeat pop numbers showcases her versatile and unique singing style, making each performance unforgettable. Mariah Carey's vocal prowess was showcased in legendary performances that often left audiences spellbound. Her rendition of Hero during the 1993 Grammy Awards remains a defining moment, highlighting her ability to connect deeply with both the song and her audience. Her music videos, like the iconic Fantasy at the amusement park, not only captured her vocal talent, but also her charisma and flair for storytelling. These visuals were integral in setting trends in music video production, influencing a generation of artists. Mariah Carey's influence extended beyond her vocal talent to her innovative approach in music production and songwriting. She pioneered the incorporation of R&B into pop music, crafting a sound that was both fresh and universally appealing. Her ability to cross musical genres made her an influential figure to a wide array of artists. From pop and R&B to hip-hop, Carey's style has been emulated by many, cementing her status as a musical chameleon. Beyond her music, Mariah Carey has been a major advocate for music education, using her platform to promote the arts in schools. Her efforts are credited with helping to keep music education programs alive and accessible in underfunded schools across the nation. Mariah Carey has consistently advocated for music education, creating scholarships and funding programs that help underprivileged youth access music lessons and instruments. Her initiatives have opened doors for countless students, providing them with opportunities to develop their musical talents and pursue their dreams. Her resilience is legendary, both in her career and personal life. Mariah Carey has bounced back from public and private challenges, embodying strength and perseverance. Her ability to overcome these obstacles serves as a powerful inspiration to her fans and fellow artists alike. As a prominent figure in the entertainment industry, Mariah Carey has shattered glass ceilings and paved the way for future generations of female artists. Her achievements have not only earned her numerous awards, but also respect and admiration from her peers. Mariah Carey's influence extends beyond music into the realm of pop culture. Her roles in films and guest appearances on television have endeared her to a broader audience, showcasing her versatility and charisma both on and off the stage. Fashion is another arena where Mariah has left her mark. Known for her glamorous style, she has become a fashion icon, influencing trends and often seen gracing the covers of major lifestyle magazines. Her distinctive style continues to inspire fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Mariah Carey's role as a mother has profoundly influenced her music and philanthropic activities. Her nurturing nature is evident in her ballads and heartfelt lyrics, which often reflect themes of love, resilience, and family values. This personal evolution has made her music resonate even more with fans worldwide. Her connection with her fans is not just limited to her music. Mariah frequently engages with her audience through social media and public events. This direct interaction has helped her maintain a strong fan base and allows her to share moments from her life, including her experiences as a mother. In various interviews, Mariah Carey has often emphasized the transformative power of music education. She passionately discusses how music can provide a voice for the voiceless and serve as a tool for emotional expression and healing, urging more support for music programs in schools. Mariah's contributions to music and society have been widely recognized through numerous awards and honors. These accolades celebrate her innovation in music, her iconic status in pop culture, and her charitable efforts, underscoring her multifaceted impact on the world. Her speeches and writings often serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. Mariah uses her platform to advocate for music education and to inspire young artists. Her words encourage perseverance, dedication, and the pursuit of one's artistic dreams. Mariah Carey's speeches and writings often resonate with inspiration and motivation. Her eloquent words encourage young artists to persevere, emphasizing the transformative power of music. Her message uplifts and empowers, serving as a beacon for aspiring musicians everywhere. In her interactions with young musicians and students, Mariah Carey displays genuine engagement and encouragement. Images and clips of these interactions show her deep commitment to nurturing the next generation of musical talent, reinforcing her role as a mentor and advocate in the music community. Her collaborations with other artists are not just musical ventures, but also avenues to promote music education. By working with diverse musicians, Mariah extends her influence, helping to integrate educational messages into mainstream music, thus reaching a broader audience. Mariah Carey has been a trailblazer in breaking down barriers within the music industry, especially for women and minorities. Her efforts pave the way for future generations to enter the music scene with fewer obstacles, promoting inclusivity and diversity in the arts. The legacy Mariah Carey is creating within the music education community is profound. Through her dedication and advocacy, she ensures that music remains a crucial part of educational curricula, inspiring students and educators alike to keep music alive in schools across the globe. Mariah Carey's influence extends beyond her immediate musical hits. She continuously inspires new generations of artists and music students. Her songs, characterized by their emotional depth and vocal mastery, serve as a blueprint for aspiring singers and songwriters, encouraging them to pursue their artistic dreams. Her journey from a young talent to a global icon is not just a tale of personal achievement, but a beacon of inspiration. This narrative underscores her commitment to nurturing musical talent and reaffirms the vital role of music education in fostering creative spirits. In every heartfelt performance and public service effort, Mariah Carey demonstrates her dedication to the arts. These moments are not only highlights of her career, but also powerful engagements that promote the importance of music as a transformative force in society. A poignant quote from Mariah herself encapsulates this ethos. "Music is the soundtrack to life's biggest moments and the educator that teaches us to feel." This statement reflects her belief in the power of music to enrich and educate, resonating with many around the world. Those moved by Mariah's passion and commitment to music education are encouraged to delve deeper into this enriching world. Subscribe to the Music Educator channel for more stories that illuminate the impact of music in shaping lives and cultures.